If you want to add a new product to your GoDaddy website store, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're launching your first product or updating your store with a new item, this is a fast way to get it done without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more practical website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for My Products in your dashboard and click it. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are managed, including your website and store tools. Next, under Websites Plus Marketing, find the website you want to update and click Manage next to it. If you have more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one so you add the product to the right store. After that, click Edit Website. This opens your website editor, where you can make changes to your store pages and products. Now navigate to the Shop page. This is the section where your products are displayed to customers, and it's where you'll add the new item. Once you're on the shop page, look for the plus icon and click it to add a product. This is the main step that starts the product creation process. GoDaddy will then ask you to insert the product image. Upload a clear, high-quality image that shows your product well, because this is one of the first things customers will see. After the image is added, GoDaddy's AIRO feature may automatically fill in some of the product details for you. That can save time and help you get started quickly. If you want, you can also enter everything manually, including the product title, description, price, and any other details your store requires. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the product looks professional and accurate. Make sure the description is clear, the pricing is correct, and the image matches the item you're selling. Once all the details are complete, save your changes and publish the site. Publishing is what pushes the new product live so visitors can see it in your store. And that's it. You've now added a new product to your GoDaddy website store. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is, and now you can repeat it anytime you want to add more products. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide.